Hi students, good morning. Okay, yesterday in previous class we have discussed logarithm, the definition of logarithm. What is the definition of logarithm? If a raised to x equal to b, a raised to x equal to b, this is called exponential form, and we can express the form of logarithm of b to the base a equal to x. Logarithm of b to the base a equal to x. Okay, a raised to x equal to b. Here the b always positive real number. Log of b is positive, means domain of log is positive real number. The base is a not equal to 1, a greater than 1, and this is real number. Okay, so logarithmic function, let a power y equal to x, then logarithm of x to the base a equal to y is called logarithmic function. Here f is defined from domain r plus, the domain is r plus tends to r, real number. Codomain is real number, domain is r plus. This is r plus. Then log x base a equal to y. Okay, this is called logarithmic function. Okay, and previous class we have discussed properties of logarithm. First property is log a base a equal to 1. Log a base a equal to 1. Next, the second property is log of 1 base a equal to 0. Base and base if both are same, the value is 1. Log 1 base a equal to 0. Log 1 base anything, the value is 0. For example, log 1 base e 0. Log e base e 1. Okay, if it is base e, then that function is called natural logarithmic function. So it is denoted by ln x. Ln x, that means log x base e, both are same. Okay, if the base is 10, log x base 10, then the logarithm is called common logarithmic function. Common logarithmic function. If base is e, that function is called logarithmic function. It is denoted by ln x or log x base e. The e value approximately lies between 2 to 3, 2.7. E value approximately 2.7. Okay. Now the second property of logarithm. Log a base a is 1. Log 1 base a is 0. Next one, third one is logarithm of m into n base e equals log of m base e plus log of n base e. Okay, this proof is not important. Let us prove one property. Proof is not important, they won't ask in theory. Property is important. Okay, one property. Let's discuss this proof. Okay, let logarithm of m into n base a equal to alpha. This is equal to alpha. Next, comma. If it is logarithm of mn base a equal to alpha, next log of m base a equal to beta. Log of n base a equal to gamma. Let log of m into n base a equal to alpha. Log of m base b equal to beta, log of m base c equal to gamma. By exponential form, this is the form of logarithm. Now convert into exponential form. It is converted into exponential form. How? Tell me, exponential form is a power alpha equal to m into n. A power alpha equal to m into n. What about this? A power beta equal to m. Next, log a base a equal to gamma. Then a power gamma equal to n. Right? This you consider here a power alpha. A power alpha equal to m into n. A power alpha equal to m equal to a power beta. N equal to a power gamma. So a power alpha equal to a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Beta plus gamma. Here bases are equal, then powers also equal. Alpha equal to beta plus gamma. Where alpha is log of mn base e. Beta log of m base e. Gamma log of n base e. This is the formula. Log of m into n equals log m plus log n. Understood? The proof not necessary. This property is very important. Log of mn equal to log m plus log n. Whatever the base anything. Property log a base a equal to 1. Second property log of 1 base a equal to 0. Third property log of m into n base a equal to log of m base e plus log of n base e. Fourth property log of m by n base e. Log of m by n base e equal to log of m base e minus log of n base e. This proof not necessary. We want, we discuss later. Log of m by n. Let same as it is like this. Log of m by n equal to alpha. Log of m base a equal to beta. Log of n base a equal to gamma. See, proof of. Let log of m by n base a equal to alpha. Let log of m base a equal to beta. Let log of n base a equal to gamma. Tell me by expansion form log of m by n base a equal to alpha, then a power alpha equal to m by n. This is the form of expansion a power beta equal to n. This is a power gamma equal to n. Yes. Now a power alpha equal to m by n, where m is a power beta, n is a power gamma. A power alpha equal to a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. A raised to minus n. A power beta minus gamma. Bases are equal. Then powers equal, alpha equal to beta minus gamma. Where alpha log of m by n base e. Beta log of m base e. Gamma log of n base e. This is the next property. Log of m by n equal to log m minus log n. Log of m by n equal to log m base e plus log n base e. Understood? Next property, the fifth property, log of a raised to m. Log of a raised to base e b raised to m or m raised to n. Log of m raised to n base e. This is equal to n into log of m base e. N into log of m base e. Okay, this is by like this also we can do it, or by taking example. See, log of 10 square equal to 100. 10 square equal to 100, you know. Yes. Now log of 10 square base 10. This is the form of like this. Yes. M is 10, n is 2, base is 10. Okay. This is can I write like this? Log of 100 base 10. 10 square means 100 base 10. Log of 100 base 10 is equal to 10 square equal to 100. 10 square equal to 100. So we can write log of 100 base 10 equal to 2. Okay. This is log of 10 square base 10. Yes. So 10 square base 10 is equal to how much is 2. Okay. Here 2. Right. This is log 10 square base 10 is equal to 2. Now as for this property, what is the n? 2. 2 comes here. Log of m is 10, base is 10. Log 10 base is 1. So the value is 2. Are you following? So logarithm of mn base a equal to n into log of m base a. M raised to n base a equal to n into log of m base a. Are you following? Log a base a is 1. Log 1 base a is 0. Log of m into n base a equal log m base a plus log n base a. Log of m by n equal log m base a minus log n base a. Log of m raised to n base a equal n into log of base m base a. Okay. Now, next property, change of base. Change of base. See, logarithm of a base b. Logarithm of a base b. Right? Now, here what is the base b? Now I want to change the base. Anyone. Okay? I want to change base as a m. Then how we can express like this? Log of a base m by log of b base m. This is the way. This is called change of base. Okay? For example, if you want base 10, the way of expressing log a base 10 divided by log b base 10. This value, all are same. If you want to change the base e, log a base b equal to, if you want base as a e, log a base e by log b base e. Are you following? Understood? Got a point? Okay. Log of a base b. If you want base as a c or 10, not like we are changing c if you want. Log of a, tell me, base c by log of b base c. This is called change of base rule property. Okay? Are you following? Log a base b. How the way of changing the base? This is the way. What you want to change that base right here and divided by log b base c. Okay? For example, log 10 base 1 by 2. Log 10 base 1 by 2. But I want base 5. How we can express? Log 10 base 5 by log 1 by 2 base 5. This is the way. Understood? For example, log of x base 10. Log of x base 10. Okay? But now I want base. I want to change the base as a e. Tell me, log x base e by log 10 base e. This is called change of base. Okay? Next property 7. This is change of base rule. Next one is log a base b, that is equal to 1 by log of b base c. How this is reciprocal? If you want to write in the denominator, interchange the base and base. See, log a base b. What is the base here? B. Now I want to change base as in a. By using change of base will tell me log a base e divided by log b base c. Right? Correct? Here base is b. Now I am going to change the base rule. By using base rule, base as a. Yes? Now log a base is 1. So 1 by log b base e. This is the property. Log a base b equal to 1 by log b base e. Tell me, log of x base e equal to 1 by log e base x. Log e base x. Log of 10 base e equal to 1 by log e base n. Seventh property, log of base e, a base b equal to 1 by log b base e. This is seventh property. Next, eighth property, any function you take it. For example, now I am taking 10 power log of 100 10 square base 10 equal to how much? Let us verify. 10 power, yes, these two are same, but this is not same. 10 power log of 100 base 10, this is equal to 10 square means 100. Here base and here power base both are same. Both are same. Then the value will be 100. How? See, 10 power log of this is 10 square. 100 means 10 square. By this property, m raised to n property. Tell me n into log of m base. 10 power n comes here, 2 comes here. 2 log 10 base 10. So log 10 base 10 is 1. So 10 square equal to 100. So this is the value. Are you following? 10 power log 100 base 10 equal to 100. So if these two are equal, how much is there here? That is the answer. Okay? That means a power log of x base a equal to x. Why? Because both are same. This how much is the third answer here? The most important formula. E power log of x base equal to x. Are you following? E power log of 2 base e equal to x. Tell me the answer. X square. It's not in the not x here. 2 is there. 2 make this side. E power log of x square base e. Now this is the form of like this. Now e power log x square base e equal to x square. It's most important property. A power log x base e equal to x. E power log x base e equal to x. A property. A power log x base e equal to x. Okay. Now by example, let us use these properties. Let's practice some examples. Log of x base is e. Nothing there means base is e. Log x plus log y equal to. Is it contained in this formula? Then reverse. Log of xy. Log of x. Tell me what about this formula? Log of x plus y equal to, is it log x plus log y? No. Why? Because this property is not there in this. Log of m into is there, m plus n not there. So the most important property is most of the students they will do mistake. Log of x plus y equal to log x plus log y is wrong. This is wrong. Understood? The difference you see, this is log x plus log y equal to log of x into y. But log of x plus y we can't write log x plus log y. Because many students what they will do, a into b plus c. Sin of b plus c, is it possible sin b plus sin c? No, you should use sin of a plus b formula. Sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. So like that, log of x plus y, while finding logarithm, you should use the properties of logarithm. Then there is no property for this. That's why don't use your own creation. The log of x plus y is not equal to log of x plus log of y. Log of x plus log y equal to log of x plus log y equal to log of x into y. But x into y, x plus y not equal. That's why many mistakes. Many students will do mistakes. Okay, log of x plus y we can't express. We can't write in terms of log x plus log y. Yes. Say log m minus log n equal to log m minus log n equal to log of m by n. Here I am not writing, that means base is e. If I not mention the base, that is considered as base is e. What about log of m minus n? Is there in the formula? No. So don't write this is equal, is not equal to log m minus log n. That is the log. Are you following? Log of x plus y is not equal to log x plus log y. Log of m minus n not equal to log m minus log n. Log of m base n equal to, can I write like this, 1 by log of n base n. Right? By using this property. Log of m base n equal to log n base n. Log of m base n equal to log of m base n by log of n base n. Correct? Yes, by change of base n. This is equal, can I write like this, log of m base 1 log of n base 1. Yes. Log of m base x log of n base x. Yes. These all are equal to this. This is called change of base. Okay. Log of 256 log of 256 base 4. How we can find this? Log of 256 in terms of 4 or 16. 4. 16 square 256. So this we can write 16 square. 4 we can write 2 square. Right? One more formula, I forgot this. One more property. Logarithm of m raised to n. Logarithm of a base a raised to m b power n. Logarithm of a power m b power n equal to m by n log a base b. So this is contained this form 16 square 2 square. or we can write x also. Logarithm of 2 power 8 by 2 square, that 16 means 2 power 4 whole to 8. Now is it continuous formula? A raised to n by b raised to n. Tell me m is 8, n is 2, 8 by 2. Logarithm of 2 base 2. 8 by 2 equal to 4. Log 2 base is 1. So what is the value answer of this? 4. Log 2 56 base 4 equal to 4. Check it. Is it correct or not? How that we can check it, verify? How we can verify? By exponential form. 4 power 4 should get 256. Correct or not? Yes. This is we have done by using properties. Instead of writing direct. Understood? Next. Logarithm of x by root y. The way of simplifying is log x root y can write like this 1 by 2. Here power is 1. Which form it contain? Log of a raised to m by b raised to n equal to m by n. M is 1 by n is 1 by 2. Log x base 1 by 1 by 2 equal to 2 into log x base 1. This is the equation.